Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about dissecting the details behind the beauty products you're curious about. Today, I've got something intriguing for you: the Tarte Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener in Nude. If you're a fan of versatile beauty tools, this one promises to be a game changer. Let's break down everything you need to know before you add this to your makeup bag. First off, let's talk about what makes this product unique. It's a double-ended liner, which means you're getting both a black liquid liner and a brightener in one sleek, compact tool. Tarte has positioned this product to be the ultimate multitasker, offering you a precise, smudge-proof liner on one end and a nude brightener on the other, designed to awaken and open up your eyes. The black liner comes in a precise microtip applicator, perfect for creating sharp lines that stay put throughout the day. If you're someone who loves a bold, matte finish, this is the type of liner you'll appreciate. The brightener side, on the other hand, is perfect for applying along your waterline to make your eyes appear larger and more awake, a trick that's especially helpful when you're looking for that wide-eyed, refreshed look. Now, let's dive into the experience of actually using this product. I tried it both for my regular makeup routine and during a long day out. The black liner glided on effortlessly, which is key for me because there's nothing worse than a liner that tugs at your eyelids. I found it to be easy to control thanks to the micro tip, and it delivered a smooth, matte finish that didn't smudge throughout the day. Plus, it didn't irritate my sensitive eyes, always a win in my book. On the flip side, the brightener is a game changer for anyone looking to brighten up their waterline. It's creamy and blendable, so you can build it up to your desired effect without feeling like it's too harsh or dry. It didn't fade or irritate, which I appreciate, especially for an area as delicate as the waterline. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest pro for me is the convenience of having two products in one. It's incredibly practical for those of us who are always on the go. The black liner is great for precision, and the nude brightener is perfect for that wide-eyed effect. However, one con is that the brightener might not be versatile for everyone. If you're someone who prefers a more dramatic, colored liner, or if nude isn't your go-to look, this product might not be for you. But if you're looking for something that elevates your everyday look effortlessly, this could be a must-have. When it comes to value for money, you're paying for Tarte's well-known formula, and I believe it delivers. Both sides of the liner are effective, and the quality is consistent with other Tarte products, which is why I think it's worth the price. You're getting two products in one, and they perform well for both casual and more formal occasions. Comparing this to other liners on the market, Tarte's offering stands out because of its dual-purpose design. While other liquid liners might focus solely on boldness, this one gives you the option to brighten your waterline, making it a more versatile choice for those looking for an all-in-one solution. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the product itself feels solid. I'm always concerned about the durability of double-ended products because the packaging can sometimes feel flimsy, but Tarte did a great job here. As for longevity, the product held up well throughout the day without needing a touch-up, so it definitely passes the test for staying power. While I didn't personally need to contact customer service, Tarte's reputation for responsive customer service is something worth noting. They're known for quickly addressing any issues or inquiries, which is always a plus when investing in a beauty product. If you're looking for a similar product at a lower price point, there are other dual-ended liners out there, but none seem to offer the same combination of precision and brightening ability. You could find more budget-friendly options, but you might sacrifice performance or ingredient quality, which is something to keep in mind. So, would I recommend this? Yes, if you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use liner that also helps you achieve a bright-eyed look without multiple products cluttering your makeup bag. If you're someone who prefers a bolder, more dramatic eyeliner look, you might want to look elsewhere. But for those who want a practical, everyday liner that performs well and lasts, the Tarte Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener is definitely worth a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.